In this video, We Print Decor will show you how to install a peel and stick wall mural quickly and easily. Choose a starting line in the upper end of the wall from where you will begin to install the mural. This can be the ceiling, or you can mark a line using a pencil. Peel the back of the mural and attach the upper end along the starting line. Make sure it is aligned and press it to the wall. The installation is done by first peeling the back and then attaching the mural to the wall by making light horizontal movements. Attach all subsequent parts in the same way. Use a squeegee to remove the air pockets between the mural and the wall. The individual parts are printed to overlap by 1/2 inch so that they match each other when placed. Our wall murals can be removed and installed multiple times without leaving any traces or residue. Decorate your home quickly and easily with the wall murals of Print Decor.